Banda Akio Bekai, Akina Yono, Dangi, is a process on talent. Is a sound of lamberty, amateurity, Hipayo, John is a long talent. Is that Uteri is a living on Sasavaro in the mature by. He puts living on Sasara, Pecada in maturity. Inexperienced by innovative is a Musika. Tunokana is a legislature is a living on Sasara. I'm a long young wish Sakana. General development. Yeah, general development. Vote Genoma. Can't little Jangusa, yeah, little the vote Genoma. I cannot don't go I can never. The vote Geno, they come at and come at Japan. It is a Sangtam for a little. Who is a keeping Sangtam on the Tikazo, a Tidra Matimat? Approving each other, approving each other, Matikin Yamat. Do no color, the land of it, but you show a party to be still, but you show part of Sandamakodaru, I should take a shot at the Lunkayama, the Kaish no matter. Nakanaka provision no matter. It's about the Dariash place as compliments. Keep her Sangtam. It's about Larias to go, you should borrow Dicano, not to Titicano, not to Nakri, Sakano, there was Sangtamla, Gantam Town Church. As I said, keep now, she should exercise it in a Akota is a Sanbalamberty. No reconcile happy. I could have Maga Chase is around show. Chile Magan, Mayamaros is around should be. Chile car became Husho. Maga, Chile Maga. Is a to us. There is a Santam Dana. Is a Petikish as a cut to Sausa, Samusa. He's about Lemno, Borodajil, Matano is a Santam. Matano. Ladies, Paracan, Palisa would take a count of long age no matter. Oh, let's say your advisor, let's say your land of the song. Who is Alberta? Kenya said, not Chris, a chase of Kenya's about London. There was a Uchula. The whole that trouble that took the young don't they were Chamsashi by home. It is a Martin West on them. That's a long term Charles Arian, says I'm on Charles. Yeah, I'm alone. The boat general was he coming to I'm alone. He has somebody. He had the Chora by it's a long term Charles. So it's a Tarisa. Son of a militia. Militia, you chena. Sangtam nang musatasa. I need the most kind of a son and Musan Mushno by. Magaya, Ilmagusia Musombe, the Perican Kakusan that means what responsibility you have in the society. If you say, I want to take the responsibility, I'll give, can you take the responsibility? Perican Yamusan. Can't handle it. The solution of a country respond, but you can. Then who are you? Who are you? It's a little one. I could actually say something. Malicious is a society collection. It's a kind of town. To the one that in general, you do your it is a ex-minister of China Sitabala, ex-minister become program, ex-minister military special giver, a Timatama, Homo. Usually, is a Samuel Emily Assembly, Apumra, advisor Emilion, ex-Tilma, bronze at Tamado. The ex-Tilma. It is all that's how you last time you say you tell me man. And that validity host specular ex-minister 4 minutes at Mataman. Kaisa Yang so say ex-deputy speaker at Mataman. So if that is a Leona is a public like Cassari was a longer guitar Benjamin machine was a sound of Stanley Mato. There is a membership. It's a push up to talk to that. As it is a could be another walk on that. So many about Akilazarna, normal candidate in the platform, Susanos called that bill. In a you, Lumna Makasha Mesa, made a permanent in general now. So that's the part of what I was thinking to just express my feeling to our leaders who are present here. Coming back to our students, I think students are sometimes, I think, we're quite intellectual, we're quite. Having any skill, we have power, we have skill. So I think in our NPO, I think just what I'm saying, 20 years back, our sound was very advanced. But now, when we see go through many competitive exams, our sound, I think we haven't been appointed in 1 week general quota. Every time, roster, only roster. If not in a general quota, none of the Sangtams have achieved. So I just want to say, tell to us, my students now, at least you have to be sincere, you have to be dedicated, and you have to give your time so that you can achieve your goal. Because everyone in Naga wants a government service. And that was true NPSC and NSSB. Because now we don't have any backdoor appointment. Unless you achieve yourself in NPSC and NSSB. So there is no other privilege to get into government job. So now what I want to say, those who are trying for complete exam, I think you have to give more time. You give your more time, you'll be very sensitive, dedicated, and you have to follow make a proper routine and go with that. I think you will achieve. There is no hard and fast that you want to achieve, isn't it? You have to be very simple, dedicated. I think that is the only thing. Because now, I want to say one thing. Our aim in life, what is our aim in life? No one will make your aim, your life, your aim in life. No one will make it for you. You have to make yourself. Like our former President of India, J.B. Abdul Kalam, what do you say? For aim in life, you have to have a vision. So your vision, you turn into your dreams. And your dreams, you turn into reality. These are the 3 steps he told. And that, if you study it properly, I think that is very a logic. First, have a vision. After that, you turn into your dream. Because when you have a vision, when you think something, it will come to your dream, isn't it? So that dream, you turn into reality. So these are the 3 steps, the logic steps, what our leader J.B. Abdul Kalam has said. So I think our students, you have to have a vision and try to make it a dream, your dream comes true. So that's one way I want to tell you. And now, to be very frank, in Nagaland, everyone is after government job. But I tell you, now government job is very limited. Because in West Bengal or other UP, government job is 16% of the population. 16%. But in Nagaland, you know, government job is more than 40% of the population. 40% of the government job, they are doing the work of the population in our Nagaland. But in other states, only 16% they handle the government office and everything. And that is very clear. Well, in Nagaland, because everyone wants to have a government job. That's why government, one way or another, they are trying to create posts to create that tries hard. That's why the government job has become inflated. Government job, there are the government service board. At least, maximum 20% to government job has it no man. 20%. The remaining 80% can that is among, it will be yourself. So then do you nothing, get a long studies happen. In what profit you have to fit in yourself. That's nothing about that. Their profit is, or if you are good in sports, now national sports people, they are standing on their own feet, they are becoming very wealthy people. And like iconic singers, they are becoming very rich people. In America, those big singers, big men, they are the world richest people, among the world richest people also. I like sports people and like beauticians or any iconic, what we said, anything where we can fill the ladies. And boys too, there are a lot of avenue beside government job. So you have to study it properly. In which profession you have to fit yourself, you have to know your profession and get it. Because now you're already educated. Wherever you go, you can speak English fluently, you can interact with people friendly, and that is well enough for you to get at least fit in any job, an industry or a company or any other thing, your self-employment. There are a lot of avenue. So, lot of ladies accused government service le nakada jeda gitara student siola gitar make it government job kono just regular government service go. So I keep up from that, make you copy, keep it BME, keep it service book, with the government service book, it's a mouth was it. This is the you profit the young, that's a keeper, which that's our that's a young spend, then it's a palu, akan run, the profit on Chagana. No, government service, the first service, class 2, Mahana, grade 3, appointment. Chola, Hazam, Kimba, Makasana, at the most of them. That is a company umbrella, Chola, that thing, among other thing on the ticket, you will go up to even like also. Up on the loans, company and other entrepreneurship, you can prosper your life. And when you prosper, you can do good for your society, for your community. That's about it. This activity. Your aim in life means not only don't only target on government job, you target other avenue, under entrepreneurship also. As a talent, it's a Sangtam activity say up in Canada. It's about those big insurance companies. Canada sports like that. Canada about your sports training like police 1,700 something like the kind. These are Hazar Sabem interview Chokoma. Hazar cut with sitting Yelana. Hazar Sabem interview Chokomacho. That limited. Because the constable post, you chopara, the put a kid be up on the constable, Jaraban. That's about like this. The level of unemployment in Nagaland is a thing that government job to there's a focus this up. After that, you also, if you can complete the exam, that's well and good. Other if you know there's a job oriented career, young poor, the poor, I can't call the your society, then the collection of the strides somewhere. It's a thing. Nagaland, I keep it down, I say, don't sound down, I say, look at me. Business outside the research time, almost. Income outside, keep the Kibla, Yama, the Talada Kanila, Europe. Research, Bihar, the mature that be down, Katlaronis and Nagaland. Can she cut no, Kusakat no, Kola, Hila, Masanova shop, Kos and Yellow, Taku country. Was a Numula, Hada, Kata Yesharapa, Nimula, has a Gizara. Totally, Makan Kutakuta, Takanada, automatically. Hadam Nashaman. And that means Nagalis, I let Gambrach in the council chairman, the cash chance sample, Nimuchavo, Lampishula Mahamba, Hazara, Muchashi, Hazara, Nimula Timbajuma group. It's about business, all about other entrepreneurship still has no talent, Akira say, Guitar says, something happens, nothing really big. Akalikana happen some. They go, now I just promotion cove no lele, and a tailor that the mother in the Yubaza, in a 3-point Yubaza is happened in Malaka. Citizen, tribal, and idiot. It's a long important for our tribe. So it's an idiot level attention. If I idiot level, you try to. Katasa is an idiot, is a Portuguese tribal to your economy. If you don't be a good citizen, knows I had a tribal town. It's a tribal, it's a you choose. Kadak electric play, I bet nothing to cut sound. Toromati is a mania machine, FNT, you should take in road to it. Is a in Pula, FNT. Apu, Hepacho did Tanya Taranida, in Pio Canada, in Gua, in Luis Knowledge, Union, ex parliamentary in Puyo, in a manga, meeting Sadi. Is a in Puna memorandum Chapa Central Laza, Magalan is a state government. I go to Sazuba. It's in Puna the check sabo, Tizana, in Puna Chuta de la Magahipa difference in the state government Chuta be hero. I bet that Arakarobo, in Puna, in Lucan ex parliamentary meeting at him. Lam Magala difference in a sort of that, a sort of song. The sort of Sabi is a people. Next year, a cabinet and cabinet a pro Sajuko. Go to the process central they grown by March FND. This year March FND interim government forms up. Interim government cut na interim government with 13 legislature. He's just Lino. Here's the 13 legislature Lipua this of pay it's on a 2027 March April election on FND. He's the worst la at this I 13 councillor. He by FND la interim government la 13 la you should maybe cut quick. like Konya like you, because I police Konya Nagiruno, is a part of you cut. Cut can that be la, is a can la 8, 9 tano, another 4 nearby. 4 is an imminent person. Curse chorus guitar, Carla does a like even a theology line, Carla does a ex bureaucrat, he think Pundalas, guitar but the pool sound by. His lies are Sangtam is a cut that boys a long time to be. Guitar is an stack. Is a you would be of the Apambajas is a mono chancellor. That is a sound is a Makataka, cut in Makan at last move. Quote them a last Rupi is a you travel your representative. Katulum is the interim government. That is a long time to be. Is a usual send us as a show, send us our send you show maybe you should not on the September Metano Bible. Ramahama was that day. Politician. Makana IP, ex-servicemen is a card, you should level at them, Lickham level at Maka USS level Kushibi, Mas Matrubatama. This is a student board is London Casa, Lickham Sai, a Casa Summer Johnson, don't tell them to be, Nita to one, he buy you in Tim Gormelana. I knew so if you can't take a tongue, which is about 4 formulae sound. About formulas as it is, as I representing that thing, you need to more as a son with a privileged sharp and go. Is a privileged sharp. That's a cohonza. Long Salem to be FND la, interim government member, sometimes a long Salem to be. A top representative is a son of Maton better. They just an advice. They did the material by. Zapotashi, they can buy. And up from Nernapu, a Changaroma said that Chan and the pump the case from I should not take him, I don't care. Nerde a Kanyari be on Makazale, no battle and no maleta here. A course that in a Siopasa, I can only call it very welcome. Then I can look at him. The in case in the net show there, I play police type of police should to not a Chomal color. I can't balampa Jimmy Changas and the material. I wish the USCC a long live and happy success. Thank you so much.